Federal agents say this Clearwater man sprayed a fire extinguisher at police and then threw the canister during the deadly Capitol riots back on January 6. Now, Robert Palmer faces serious charges. But his attorney tells Fox 13's Gloria Gomez that his legal strategy may be changing after this week's sentencing of a Tampa man who became the first defendant to plead guilty in the Capitol assault.
Federal prosecutors say this is Robert Palmer in a distinctive American flag jacket, spraying Capitol Police with a fire extinguisher and then throwing the canister at them. The Clearwater man remains out on bond while he fights his criminal charges. His attorney, Bjorn Brunbund, says it's a complex case.
The great majority, including my client, did not go there with evil intent.
On Monday, Tampa resident Paul Hodgkins was the first to plead guilty to a felony charge for his involvement in the Capitol riots. The judge handed him an 8-month prison sentence. He made it onto the Senate floor waving a Trump flag. But now Hodgkins' case has become a benchmark for the rest of the hundreds of cases still pending, like Palmer's.
It gives us some insight into what we might expect for those of us who have clients with similar charges and similar exposure. I think it's very likely that at some point my client's case will be resolved with the plea as well.
Palmer faces several charges that includes 2 counts of assaulting a law enforcement officer. More serious charges than Hodgkins, but resolving it quickly may be the way to go. It worked for Hodgkins.
Early acceptance of responsibility is always looked upon favorably by the courts. That's a factor that we look at. The hope would be that some charges will be dropped or reduced and that we can reach a resolution that everyone can live with.
Gloria Gomez, Fox 13 News.
Palmer's attorney tells Fox 13 the goal here is to always avoid prison time for his client.